Hello techies, we are in lab 1.4.10 and we are going to be troubleshooting methodology. In this lab, you will be guided through a simple network related troubleshooting scenario. First, connect two computers to the switch using the create link tool. In the tool tray, select create link tool, select the office one computer and select Ethernet, select the switch. Let's see, verify the office one can reach an external website, and these are the details provided. Office one, and select Windows launch and launch Chrome. Okay, the browser says the browser can be reached, something is working. Okay, so tax 3 says verify home laptop can reach an external website, and these are the details provided for that tax 3. And the next tax says to let's theorize what might be causing the problem, and these are the details provided for theorizing what might be causing the problem. The fifth task is to compare the IP configuration of the machine that is working to the one that is not working, and these are the details provided for that. These are the details provided. Okay, all right, so this has the details provided, and taxi says to implement a fix. Let's try changing the IP configuration of office 1 to match home laptop. Under edit details, then try the fix and office 1 and it. All right, so this is lab 1.4.10, and we'll go ahead and start lab. If this video appears to be too fast for you all, I'm sorry about that. You can pause the video in between so that you can match every move I make. All right, so let's start up. We have our task here. The first task is to connect the two computers to the switch using the create a link tool. So we connect this and we select port 1, connect this to this, and we select port 2, and then let's view this. Okay, so we are still connecting. We launch Windows. Let's see. The second task is verify that office 1 can reach an external website. So let's just type in rmksupplies.com. So this site can be reached, so it can't reach an external website. So we'll go back into the modeler and then we'll launch Windows, and then we'll go into this and type in rmksupplies.com. all right, so this can reach external websites. All right, so task 4, let's theorize what might be causing the problem. So we're going to office 1 launch, and we go into settings and network and internet public. Let's maximize this so that you see what I'm doing. So this is 192.168.100. So let's launch this and go into network and internet and maximize this so that you see what I'm doing. Network, and let's see, the IP assignment is automatic, but right here it is not. So let's see, this is manual, so edit and change it to automatic DHCP, and we save this. Okay, so let's go back and try the website again, and you can see that this can now connect to external website. The next, let's check answers. Okay, everything appears to be correct here. Now, if this video was helpful to you in any way, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video.